I would put it down to three things: neutrality, efficiency, and light touch. I think this is what parties are looking for. They want a neutral venue to have their disputes resolved. And Singapore is seen as a non-aligned, independent jurisdiction. You want things to work, and that's where the efficiency comes in. And then finally, you want a light touch in terms of judicial intervention, because parties' autonomy is paramount in arbitration. At the same time, you want to be able to have recourse to the courts when in those limited situations when you do need them.
Speaking strictly from an end user perspective, I like to think about it as the 3 C's. The first C would be commercial. Singapore is actually very business friendly. You've got flight routes from all over the world. You have easy access to everywhere and all the amenities that you need, your hotels, everything, and all of the surrounding infrastructure is actually really important to support the process of a dispute resolution and all of that. The second C would be competence. Here in Singapore, you have access to all kinds of different people with different expertise. People who have expertise in maritime law, on arbitration, experts in all areas of law. And from, I think SIAC has about 400 different practitioners from about 40 different countries. And so you have experts, you have access to experts from different jurisdictions. And then the last C would be cost. I think that even though arbitration does cost a lot, I'd say that SIAC is relatively lower cost compared to other dispute resolution centers.
First of all, Singapore is neutral. It's convenient, particularly to our Korean clients. The Korean clients normally have transactions with American parties or European parties or other Asian countries. And they usually try to find some neutral place, safe and convenient. So we can think about many other places, but Singapore is particularly safe because it's a very safe legal system, and they also are safe in every reasons, and also it's very convenient. It's within 6 hours distance, and a lot of direct flight to other cities, and you have good facility and expert chambers, and the service is very efficient. So the SIAC provide a very efficient service, quick and reasonable price. So everybody is very happy with that. So when I recommend Singapore to place arbitration, and many people just find that it's even better than they expected. So they come back again and again. That happens to me. So my practice for about 30 years as a litigator, I noticed a dramatic increase of numbers in arbitration in Singapore, particularly in 10 years. So when I recommend Singapore, and I found that everybody happy with that, so it turned out to be true. So that is the reason maybe we come back again and again to Singapore.